People are changing how they look for information online. Instead of scrolling through pages of blue links on Google, they are asking AI assistants like ChatGPT and Perplexity to generate single, direct answers. This chart compares conversion rates between traditional search and AI search. As you can see, traffic arriving from AI engines converts at a rate up to 6 times higher than standard search traffic. To capture those high-intent users, we will follow a concrete system. First, we will find exactly what customers are asking these bots. Next, we will build an AI-friendly landing page. Finally, we will plant off-site citations to ensure the AI engines recommend your specific product. Before we begin, you need to gather 4 things: your top 5 SEO keywords, access to your content management system, an aged Reddit account, and an answer tracking tool. Adapting to answer engine optimization, structuring content so AI models cite your product, is the only way to intercept customers before competitors do. Let's start with step 1. Take your existing high-performing money keywords, or your competitors' paid search terms, and paste them into ChatGPT. Instruct the AI to turn those standard keywords into 10 to 20 highly specific conversational follow-up questions. This reveals the long-tail queries your target audience is actually typing into chat interfaces. For step 2, you need to create a new landing page, or update an existing one, to directly answer one of these newly generated questions. The primary rule is formatting. Place the exact conversational question into an H2 heading. Immediately below, provide a standalone answer. This text block must be exactly 40 to 70 words long. Do not write rambling paragraphs. AI engines only extract short, confident, verbatim answers. Next, go into your site's backend and add FAQ page or speakable schema markup. Schema markup is a form of microdata that helps search engines immediately comprehend and categorize the content on your page. This flags your specific text block for AI crawlers. Adhering to these rigid formatting rules transforms a human-readable web page into a structured, machine-readable extraction target. Step 3 focuses on off-site citations. AI engines don't rely solely on reading your website. They summarize the general consensus found across the entire web. They do this using Retrieval-Augmented Generation, or RAG. RAG is a framework where an AI pulls and verifies data from multiple external sources, like forums and video transcripts, before generating its final answer. To establish your product as part of that consensus, find a highly relevant Reddit thread and post a genuinely useful answer. Explicitly state your real name and where you work to provide an authentic, trusted signal. You can also upload a targeted YouTube video that specifically answers the AI prompt in both its title and its spoken transcript. When scaling this, avoid the temptation to automate hundreds of fake Reddit accounts to generate artificial mentions. Falling into this spam trap triggers immediate algorithmic penalties from the AI engines and permanent bans from human moderators. 5 authentic, high-quality citations build significantly more algorithmic authority than 5,000 automated spam links. Moving to step 4, we will optimize your help center to capture the incredibly specific, obscure follow-up questions users ask AI. First, make a critical architectural shift. Move your help center from a subdomain format to a subdirectory format. This ensures that any search authority your help articles generate flows directly back into your main domain. Then comb through your customer support tickets to find hyper-specific use cases, like niche software integrations, and turn those exact scenarios into dedicated help articles. Step 5 is tracking and measurement. You need to mathematically prove your optimization campaign is working. Load your generated questions into an answer tracker tool. Divide them into a 100-question control group that you leave alone and a 100-question test group where you apply your new tactics. Your primary metric here is share of voice. Share of voice represents the percentage of times your brand is explicitly cited in the AI's generated response. This graph plots what your data should look like after 2 weeks. You want to see a stagnant baseline for the unoptimized control group versus a clear upward trajectory for the optimized test group. Without isolating variables in a strict test versus control framework, your strategy relies on guesswork rather than a repeatable engineering process. Let's review the fully constructed loop. You possess a machine-readable landing page, trusted off-site citations, and an active data tracking system. When a user enters an AI query for your targeted long-tail question, the engine yields a summary that explicitly names and links to your product. Once your share of voice demonstrably rises in the test group, you can scale. Roll this exact strategy out to your top 50 business keywords. To accelerate the process, ramp up production of highly targeted YouTube videos to dominate the citation ecosystem. By mastering this optimization loop, you bypass the chaos of traditional search entirely and let AI algorithms deliver the highest converting traffic on the internet directly to your door.